Heck yeah. Now, the untold story here is I had to take 3 steering columns, which are hard to find, by the way. Each one had some little something wrong with it. But of the 3, I was able to strip them down, pull some parts, and make one good one. So, everything's good. And now, y'all remember me drilling out the lock cylinder? Yeah, listen to that. Everything's good. Gear shift works. Old baby needs cleaned up, but I think everything came out real well. So my daughter is back on the road with her. She calls it the gray lady, you know, like the ghost stories kind of